I'm Kendall and I live in Christchurch, New Zealand. I work at Medifab as a product consultant, delivering wheelchairs, seating, paediatric products to clients and families in Christchurch. I work out of the Comfort Hub in Riccarton and at the Rolleston Medifab, delivering paediatric products in wheelchair and seating. So I started over a year and a half ago. I came in, wanted to learn as much as I could, started in the customer service role, really working, supporting a couple of reps, sending emails, calling, doing as much as I can. What really helped me from coming from customer service into the product consultant role is I know how the funding works. I can help you guys get the info that you need. I'm a technical person who loves to get involved with everything. I will get stuck in. My whole life I've been interested in getting hands-on, and I will walk into an appointment and want to help. You can ask me anything and I will do my best and be as honest and precise as I can to get the best outcome for that client. I love working at Medifab to provide the best solutions for our clients, working with the best people and really feeling supported in my role. I really just want to make a difference and be that positive light in Medifab, take my experience and apply that into a daily setting.